Hello friend. Welcome back to PDMS for Beginner. This is Mr. Ton. Have a nice day. In previous video we completed the piping project file. Today we will talk about create project configuration in CADWorx plant. First of all, we will set up profile for CADWorx plant. Navigate to Setup Profile in CADWorx program. Choose your program version, then click OK. Launch CADWorx Plant Professional from the desktop icon. Start a new drawing from the Imperial template. Navigate to Setup menu, then click. Or you can write the command setup. The plant setup dialog window displays. In current drawing, choose 3D solid for drawing mode and threaded for fitting mode. Navigate to the configuration setting, then choose the unit. Make sure the specification directory was shown. Navigate to the specification size. Then add the piping Imperial project file was done before. We will choose class 150 for this training file. Then we also choose 4" for main and 2 for reduction. In configuration layer we will not change. Set show option for apply size rule. Set show option for apply specification rule. Set automatic for apply end type rule. Set no for apply pipe length rule. Set automatic butt weld and socket weld for apply weld insert rule. Set flanges and claim for apply gasket insert rule and bolt insert rule. Set automatic flange weld neck for apply flange insert rule. Set automatic 2 holes for apply bolt hole orientation rule. Set always inherit for apply line number rule. Other we will not change. We can save as this configuration file. Click Save then Close. After completed the configuration file, we can save as the template file to use later. Put the name then save. When we want to create the new CADWorx file, we can use the template completed before and no need to config again. We have already completed the project configuration file in CADWorx. Thanks for your watching and see you soon.